Welcome to Fifth Avenue in New York City. This is one of the most famous streets in the world for luxury shopping, iconic landmarks, and classic NYC views. In this video, we will walk Fifth Avenue and show what makes it so special, and what you can do here. Fifth Avenue is famous for one main reason. It feels like a greatest hits street. In one walk, you can see world-known buildings, beautiful old architecture, big city energy, and some of the most famous stores on Earth. It is also the line that separates the east side and west side of Manhattan, so it often feels like the center of the city. Let's start with the vibe. On Fifth Avenue, everything looks bigger. Wide sidewalks, tall buildings, shining windows, and constant movement. It is one of the best places in New York for street shots. People walking fast, taxis passing by, flags on buildings, and the sound of the city. One of the most iconic areas is around 42nd Street. Here you can find the New York Public Library, and right next to it, Bryant Park. This is a perfect stop for a calm break and clean filming. You can capture the library's classic front steps, then turn your camera to the city streets right behind it. As you move north, you enter a zone full of famous NYC landmarks. You can stop by St. Patrick's Cathedral, a beautiful church that looks surprising in the middle of modern skyscrapers. Across the street, you will see major buildings and busy sidewalks, so you get a strong contrast. Quiet stone architecture and loud city life in one frame. A little further, you will reach Rockefeller Center area. This is a key place for classic New York visuals. In winter, it becomes a holiday scene. In other seasons, it is still full of visitors, shops, and strong city atmosphere. If you want a New York postcard shot, this area delivers. Now let's talk about why so many people come here, shopping. Fifth Avenue is known for luxury brands, flagship stores, and big window displays. Even if you do not buy anything, it is still fun to walk, watch the displays, and feel the energy. Many travelers treat it like an outdoor showroom, fashion, design, and city style all together. But Fifth Avenue is not only shopping, it is also the door to culture. As you go further up, you reach the start of Museum Mile, near the edge of Central Park. This part of Fifth Avenue feels more elegant and calm. You can visit major museums, walk beside the park, and film the green space with tall buildings behind it. That is a very New York view. For a simple plan, here is a great way to experience Fifth Avenue. Start around the library area for classic architecture shots. Walk north to St. Patrick's Cathedral for the old versus new contrast. Continue to Rockefeller Center for the city energy and famous surroundings. Then finish near Central Park for a calmer ending, with nature and skyline in the same scene. Best time to visit depends on your goal. Morning feels cleaner and less crowded. Late afternoon gives softer light. Night is perfect for bright windows and city lights. Weekends can be very busy, so if you want smooth walking shots, a weekday is easier. That's Fifth Avenue, not just a street, but a full New York experience landmarks, style, culture, and the non-stop rhythm of Manhattan.